Hey everyone, from tomorrow, I'm gonna start the website development series. In this series, we will learn how we can buy the domain, how we can create a website from scratch. You don't need to worry. This series for a non-coder who never ever done any single line of code. You don't need to worry about anything at all because we're gonna use here the WordPress platform. And we all know that in the whole world, around 40% of website built with WordPress platform itself. So from tomorrow, I'm gonna upload daily videos on this WordPress website development series. So you can learn it step by step. In this series, I'm gonna teach you how you can create a website from scratch, how we can make a live, and how we can use it in our local host. In this series, we will discuss about how we can start our own agency and how we can get a client for our website development. So this series is going to be all in one. So from tomorrow, we are going to start this amazing series. So if you have any doubt, any suggestion, so you can just comment on this video. I'm going to include your all suggestion in this series. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye.